Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have an Advent and I went a different way this year. Last year I did the David's Tea Advents and I like those because most of them are more herbal teas than black teas, so there's a lot of decaf in there. But this year I had heard so many good things about the Vahdam teas that I went with one of the Vahdam tea Advent calendars and then I ended up with the second one. So let's get into it and I'll tell you how that happened. Started to not do a tea again this year, but last year we loved so much. My husband and I both loved doing the teas, and then I also got the Bon Maman jellies and taking a British tea time. At about 3 in the afternoon, we would just each have a piece of toast and split one of the jellies and each make a cup of tea. And I hadn't ordered teas or the jellies, and I was starting to get sad about that we weren't going to have that tradition, because it's our new tradition, because once we've done it more than once, which will be this year, it's tradition. But I decided to try a new tea. So this is the Vahdam Advent Calendar 24 single serve teas. I went this way this year just for ease. So it's going to be tea bags. But when I went on to place the order, and I will let you know right here how much it cost, because when I bought it, it was full price. I think it was right at $50. But somebody said that they thought it was on sale, so I will let you know below. But when I bought it directly from them, and I was going to pay shipping unless I put just a little more in my cart. So I picked up this 24 single serve tea advent calendar, and I think that this is just going to have 24 tea bags in it, but I thought my mommy might like it. So I picked it up for my mom, thinking she and my dad could do it through the holiday season too. So I have one for us and one for them. So I will let you know the pricing on both of these, let you know if there's any sales going on. You might can pick it up on Amazon, it might be cheaper, but I wasn't about to pay shipping. Yes, I will spend an extra larger amount of money than the shipping just to avoid spending the money on shipping, because so much of what we get now there's no shipping cost on, that when people want me to pay shipping I take it personally. The first thing I have to say about this is, oi, it is heavy. I mean, it's got some serious heft to it, and it's a really thick box. I think it might, yep, it opens from over here. So that is what it looks like. And then you just open it up. I haven't even seen the inside yet. You guys are seeing it before me. How's it look? So cute. So we have a little drawer for each day, and they're in order. I remember when Jessica was doing, over at Everything Proof Beauty, was doing an advent calendar a couple of years ago, and she's like, oh, I love the ones that are in order. I'm like, but advents aren't supposed to be in order. Let me tell you what, when you start opening them on a channel and you start searching for the numbers, trying to be mindful of how much time you're taping, you learn to appreciate the ones that are in order. So I'm going to set this right over here beside me, and we're just going to go through these really quickly, and I will tell you what the flavors are. Basically, that's all we can do, because since they're in tea bags, I can't really smell them. With Vahdam India, I wish it came with a little information, because I think they're like organic, non-GMO, really good quality teas. I will let you know what I can down in the description. So when we take a drawer out, you guys, oh good, you could see it. It's just chock. I think each one has 4. Is that true? Yes. It has 4 tea bags of the same flavor in it, in each one of these. So with the 24 days, 4 times 24. 80, 96. So is that true? 96 tea bags? That's a lot. Oh, this is 120. Is it 120? So this has 120 pyramid tea bags individually packed. Well, if there's 4 in 24, that's not even 100. So some of them must have more than 4 in it. We'll get to them. They must have 5. They must have 5. So there's another one. So is that 120? Yes. So there are 5 tea bags per drawer. So you will have 120 tea bags in this. So this all just came out of drawer 1. And this one is the turmeric ashwagandha Indian superfood with powerful curcumin herbal tea. And this one is caffeine free. So we have 5 of these, and they fit nicely back in the box. I wondered if I was going to have a hard time getting them back in. So I won't take all 5 out going forward. I will just show you in the drawer. This is day 2, and it is an Earl Grey fragrant black tea with citrusy bergamot. And it shows you on the bottom that it is USDA organic. And it is a real leaf tea packed at the source in India with love, care, and passion. This is 98% black tea, and 2% bergamot extracts. And 1% of their revenue goes toward the education of their farmers' children in India. This is gonna be so easy just sliding out the drawers. Next we have a turmeric spiced tea, and that's another herbal and caffeine free. Then we have a turmeric chamomile. I will not be drinking this one. I am the weirdo that I just don't love a chamomile tea, but I knew that going in. It is caffeine free. Either my husband will like it or I will add it to my mom's little box. Number 5, we have hibiscus rose. Doesn't that sound pretty? It's a blend of hibiscus, rose, cardamom, which is one of my own personal favorite spices, and fennel. And that one is caffeine free also. I love this, is so easy. This is like cheating doing an Advent. This is an English breakfast, strong and rich original breakfast tea. That is what that looks like. Number 7, we have a Darjeeling Summer. Got a pretty purple on that. Pure and unblended second flush black tea. So we can put whatever we want in that one to flavor it. My husband prefers honey. I like most teas not sweetened. This one is a turmeric moringa. So they use a lot of turmeric ones. So that'll be good because that's like a superfood. It makes you stronger. We have an organic Himalayan pure and natural high-grown green tea. I like green tea. I'll take back my rule about don't sugar it. Green tea is something that I like to mess with. Number 9 is a chamomile mint citrus. And it's a blend of green tea, chamomile, mint, and orange. And number 11, we have a mint medley. Green tea with pure mint leaves. That's what that looks like. That one sounds delightful. I'll be drinking the extras of that on those chamomile days. Ooh, Earl Grey citrus. Delicate green tea with citrusy bergamot. So it's an Earl Grey green tea. That sounds fantastic. Next we have Sweet Himalayan. This is a green tea with turmeric, ashwagandha, and stevia. So that one's going to already be sweet. How easy is this going right along? Number 14, we have lemon ginger, zesty and warming green tea and natural ingredients. I like anything with ginger in it. Love it. Next we have ginger mint, also a green tea. Fresh and warming natural ingredients. That is what that looks like. And next, 16, we have Moringa Tulsi, mellow and refreshing natural ingredients. And it's a green tea. So if you don't like herbals and green teas, this one might not be perfect for you. This one is India's original. I think this is going to be in our FabFitFun box that we got too. Traditional Indian masala chai recipe. And that is what those look like. So this will give you an idea of what we're going to get from in our FabFitFun thing too. This is sweet cinnamon chai tea. That looks so good. Number 19, we have Earl Grey spiced chai. Yes. Earl Grey used to be when I just only drank like regular teas. Earl Grey was always my favorite. Number 20, we have a vanilla spiced chai. And number 21, I have a pumpkin spiced herbal tea. And that's a caffeine free, so that is fantastic. I so look forward to that one. So I will do, just like I did last year, I will do my Instagram where I show you guys these teas each day. Just kind of a vlogging December thing because I have down there, I ended up getting the Bon Maman too, so I have the jellies too. Oh, this is an herbal tea and it's ginger chocolate, blend of warming ginger and roasted cocoa. Calling dibs right now. He's not here. Calling dibs on all 5 of these from my husband. Number 23, we have a berry cinnamon herbal tea. It's a blend of gooseberry, cinnamon, hibiscus, and orange. Wow, the ones here at the end are just really awesome. And last but not least, what could be more perfect for Christmas Eve? Cookies and cream. So it's a roasted cocoa blended with cookies and cream herbal tea. That sounds so good. So that is what you get in the Vahdam Teas drawer. They also have one that's loose teas. I decided, because last year in the throes of getting ready for Christmas, you know, in this month, running up to Christmas, especially when you get down in these numbers, you're busy. I mean, you're busy. And I just thought, you know what, tea bags would be so much easier. I don't have to clean the steeping, I went with tea bags, and I'm very happy about it. So the back gives us a little bit of information. Probably can't see that because it's very little words, but the back gives us a little bit of information on each tea. Oh, which I need to read because the very first one, the turmeric ashwagandha herbal tea, has licorice in it. So I will read very carefully each one of these and make notes, maybe even slip a little note into the day so that I don't forget. Because like I said, you get busy, but that's the only one that I see off the top of my head that has any issue at all. That's the only one with licorice or anything other than the chamomile. Let me know below. Do you like chamomile tea? I know they say if you like have a stomach ache or anything like that, it's really good for you. I am the opposite. It actually gives me a stomach ache. So this little one that I got from my mom, let's go ahead and open this. She won't mind at all. It is a 24 single serve teas advent calendar, but this one I think is just, oh no, it does open from the top. Look how cute. So it opens from the top. It has that pretty wreath on it. And I think in each of these, you just have 6 teas. I bet they're the exact same as these. You just have one of each. I think this was like $14.99. What a bargain. So let me double check. Let me just get into this and tell you for sure that it's the same teas. Actually, you know what? I bet I can check the back. Yep, in a cursory look over, it's the exact same teas. Perfect. Well, that's really nice. So you get one of each of the tea bags that you have. In this one, you have 5 of each. And in this one, you get 1 of each. These are cute little gifts. If you have somebody in your life that you know likes tea, what a cute little gift this is. Okay, so those are the 2 Vahdam Teas advent calendars that I got. Like I said, they also have a loose leaf tea. I just decided to take the easy way out and go with the tea bags. So that's what they look like. If you have any questions about this, let me know below. I will put all of the information for this down in the description. If you are new to YouTube and you're unaware of the description, write down which side. I think this side. There's a little arrow that points down. If you click on that, depending on what kind of device you're on, either immediately you will get a drop down below that would give you the description, or if you're like on a tablet, it might put it to the right side. In that, I will put all the information for this. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I love Advent season. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.